Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, August 5. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up. Got a long day ahead.
Same here. I've got a big meeting later.
Oh, meetings, always fun. Hey, did you hear about the new trade deal with South Korea?
Yeah, I saw something about it. What's the news?
President Trump announced it just before the deadline. It's supposed to help businesses with lower costs.
That sounds good. Maybe it'll make shipping cheaper for your sales stuff.
I hope so. Less cost means more deals for me.
True. It could help with project budgets too.
Fingers crossed. We need a break on prices.
Definitely. It's nice to see countries working together on trade.
Yeah, for once. Usually it's just arguments.
Haha, right? Let's see if it really works.
I'm not holding my breath, but it'd be nice. Hey, do you think it'll help small companies or just the big ones?
I hope small ones too. They need support more than anyone.
Exactly. I've got some small clients who are struggling with costs.
Same with my projects. Some teams have really tight budgets.
Let's hope this deal makes a difference. Even a little help would be great.
Agreed. Every bit counts right now.
Yep. If shipping gets cheaper, I might close more sales this month.
That would be a win. I could use extra funds for my project tools.
We're both dreaming big now. Let's not get too excited yet.
Haha, true. We'll see what happens.
Hey, speaking of tools, did you see that new app for tracking projects?
No, what app is that? Tell me more.
It's for remote teams. Helps keep everything in one place. I saw it online. Sounds perfect for busy people like us.
Oh, that's interesting. I'm always looking for better ways to manage tasks.
Yeah, it's supposed to save time. I might try it for my sales reports.
Good idea. Does it work on phones or just computers?
Both, I think. Super easy to use, they say.
Nice. I'll check it out after my meeting.
Do it. We need all the help we can get.
So true. Technology is a lifesaver sometimes.
Totally. I'm always behind on my reports, so this might help.
Same with my project updates. I spend too much time organizing.
Oh, tell me about it. Paperwork is the worst part of the job.
Yeah, it really is. A good app could change everything.
Let's hope it's not too expensive. I don't want to pay a lot.
Right. Most good ones have a paid version, though.
Of course, nothing's free these days.
Haha, sadly no. But if it saves time, it's worth it.
True. I'll look up the price later.
Let me know. I might get it for my team too.
Will do. Hey, on a different note, are you into music festivals?
Sometimes. Why, what's happening?
There's a huge one coming up soon. Tons of people are going, big bands too.
Oh, really? Where is it?
Not too far, I think. I saw it's getting a lot of buzz online.
That sounds fun. I used to go to festivals a lot before work got so busy.
Same here. Maybe we should take a day off and go.
I wish. But I've got deadlines coming up.
Me too. Work always gets in the way of fun.
Yeah. But maybe we can watch some clips online after it happens.
Good plan. I'll need something to cheer me up after my sales calls.
Deal? It's nice to have something to look forward to.
For sure. I remember going to a festival with 5 friends years ago.
Oh, that sounds fun. What was it like?
Total chaos, but in a good way. We danced all night.
Nice. I miss those carefree days before office life.
Me too. Now it's just meetings and emails.
Yeah, but we've got to pay the bills. No choice.
True that. Maybe one day we'll get a break.
I hope so. A little fun keeps us going.
Exactly. Hey, how's your project going anyway?
It's okay. Just a lot of details to handle. What about your sales?
Busy as always. Got a new client to call today.
Nice. Good luck with that. I hope they sign up.
Thanks, me too. I need a win this week.
You'll get it. Just keep pushing.
Always do. Hey, did you finish your coffee already?
Almost. I'm taking it slow today.
Smart move. I'm on my second cup already.
Wow, you're fast. Don't drink too much.
No promises. I need the energy.
Fair enough. I might grab another one later.
Do it. Coffee is life in this office.
so true. Hey, back to that trade deal. Do you think it'll take long to see changes?
Probably. These things always take time.
Yeah, that's the problem. We need help now, not in 6 months.
Exactly. My clients can't wait that long for lower costs.
Same with my projects. Budgets are tight already.
Let's just hope it's not all talk. I've heard promises before.
Me too. But I'm trying to stay positive.
Good idea. I'll try that too.
Haha, it helps. Keeps the stress down.
Speaking of stress, that app better be good. I can't handle more problems.
Right. If it's complicated, I won't even bother.
Same. I just want something simple to use.
Exactly. Simple tools make work easier.
Yep. Hey, do you think our boss would pay for it?
Maybe if we show it saves time. Worth asking.
Good point. I'll mention it in my next chat with him.
Do that. It could help the whole team.
Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work. Haha.
Haha, nice one. That's true.
Hey, about the festival, do you think they'll have food there?
Probably. Festivals usually have lots of food stalls.
Nice. I love trying new snacks at those events.
Me too. It's half the fun of going.
Totally. Now I'm hungry just thinking about it.
Same. Maybe I'll grab a snack after my meeting.
Good call. I might do the same.
Hey, what time is your client call?
In about 20 minutes, I should get ready soon.
Yeah, my meeting is in 10 minutes. Time to go?
All right, catch you later then.
Yeah, see you later. Have a good day.
You too, Alex. Don't work too hard.
I'll try. Take care.
Later. Good luck with that meeting.
Thanks. Good luck with your call.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.